Welcome to Learn English as a Second Language. The right place to learn English quickly.
Listen and practice.
I was driving down the familiar road, lost in my thoughts about the day's tasks. Without realizing it, a quick glance at my phone made me lose control of the steering wheel. My heart raced as my car swerved dangerously close to the curb. I tried to regain control by jerking the wheel, but it was too late. The screeching sound of tires filled the air as my car crashed into a lamppost. The impact shook me, and everything seemed blurry. After the dust settled, I took a shaky breath and looked around. The front of my car was badly damaged, and steam was coming from the engine. I stepped out, my hands trembling, and surveyed the scene. Panic was taking over. A kind passerby rushed to me, asking if I was okay. I nodded, still trying to process the situation. They assured me that help was coming, and their words provided some comfort in my shock. Soon, sirens approached, and a police car and ambulance arrived. The officers asked about the accident, and I explained how I got distracted. The paramedics checked me and confirmed I was not seriously hurt. It was a relief, but I couldn't shake off the guilt. My car was towed away, a stark reminder of the consequences of not paying attention. This experience taught me a hard lesson about the importance of staying focused while driving. I promised myself to never forget that even a brief distraction can lead to serious outcomes, affecting not just me, but others on the road too.
Listen carefully, and complete the task about the question.
Where was the man driving? What was he thinking about? What caused the loss of control? How did the car swerve? What did the car collide with? What sound filled the air during the crash? How did the impact make the protagonist feel? What emerged from the damaged car? Who rushed to assist the men? What did the passerby ask? What provided comfort in the midst of shock? Who inquired about the accident? What explanation did the men give? What did the paramedics check? How did the protagonist feel after the check? What emotion couldn't the protagonist shake off? What did the experience teach about driving?